So today I will be reviewing the Sol Janeiro Bum Bum Body Scrub. I did pick this up from Sephora. I also picked up the Bum Bum Cream, which I do freaking love, adore. So I'm gonna be using this now because I am about to take a shower. This is just heavenly divine and it smells just freaking amazing. This is the first body scrub I have actually used that's not too coarse on the skin, and once the water hits it, especially warm water, it just melts into your skin like butter. So I'm going to be taking a shower now and I will be using this, and then when I get out I will be applying the Bum Bum Cream. Okay guys, so I just finished taking a warm shower, so I'm gonna go in with the Bum Bum Cream. I'm so tired guys. I was outside, so that's how it looks. I've been using it and I have to say I am so in love. Oops, I'm tipsy. Let's beep that out. So I just love how buttery this feels even in my palms. I always try to get it on the inner portion of my arms because I have a bit of stretch mark there, and this is supposed to tighten the skin as well. I do use it on my bum, my stomach, and my breasts, my boobs. Yeah, believe it or not, I use this all over. And when I use this, I do have the spray, but I don't use the spray because honestly, after you use this, you'll be smelling like a goddess. So I think going in with the spray is kind of like a overkill. So I don't. I could just tuck myself into bed. I'm so tired. I spent the whole afternoon downstairs. For those who don't know, what you wouldn't know, I am on a staycation at the Marriott. So the ocean is just right there. It's so beautiful. So beautiful guys. Just let me show you. It is so beautiful. Like, look at that. Oops, stop that. Stop messing up my jazz. That's how beautiful it is. So if you see me keep looking that direction, I'm actually looking at the ocean. So do I highly approve this? Definitely. This is like highly rated. This just has the smell whenever I'm coming on a vacation or a staycation, I should say. I'm always bringing my Sol Janeiro Bum Bum Cream and now the scrub, because something, I need the natural lighting, something about it, just the scent of it just reminds me like I'm on a beach. I'm just somewhere, I'm just feeling a vibe, I'm just feeling amazing. So yeah, so this retails on Sephora for, I think it was like 45 or 46. I did however get both of them in the VIB sale, so I was able to save a few coins, which is always good. So yeah, so if you guys are interested in picking this up, excuse the mess in the back, that's my swimsuit. So yeah, if you guys are interested in picking this up, then you can definitely check at Sephora or even the Sol Janeiro website. I think they should have it there. So yeah, so until next time guys, I love you all and I will see you in the next